Wisconsin, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. So we're going to take a look at just cleaning some basic walk-up windows. These windows are probably like 6 foot by 6 foot each. They have a lower window that's probably 6 foot by maybe 3 foot. And just take a look at my process and then how I'm doing this. First, I'm going to take this and wet this down. I'm going to wet the 2 down at a time. After I wet these 2 down, I'm just going to go ahead and wet the lowers down as well. Squeegeeing these, I am going to take an approach of side squeegeeing. These windows are a little bit wider than they are tall. So a side squeegee might save me 1 stroke. After I squeegee, I'm going to squeegee the top sill, front sill, switch to the side. As I pull to the side, I'm going to go straight down instead of closing out. Straight down, straight down. And on this final one, close out. Right my sill. I don't even need to take the squeegee off the pole to squeegee the lower window. Squeegeeing this bottom sill. That's a look at squeegeeing the window from the sides, wetting all 4 windows down at one time, squeegeeing everything off the pole. That lower window can get to be really low if we are bending over to squeegee that. So by working using a pole for all of it, you can reach the high stuff, you can reach the low stuff with less bending, body movements, which stresses the body over time. I've been doing this for 30 years. The least amount of body fatigue you can put on yourself daily helps out in the long run and extends the life of your career, basically. You saw it here, Window Warriors Forum.